Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Classes. Let's study about the pedigree analysis. Okay, yes, what is this pedigree analysis? So here an analysis of serial records of the occurrence of a trait in a several generation of a human family is called as analysis. So pedigree analysis. So here any trait, it may be a hair color or any disease, the occurrence of the disease in a several generation of a human family. So that analysis and the serial records of the occurrence of this traits, so that in a human family, that is known as the pedigree analysis. So here the first thing in this analysis is to collect the family history. So the collecting the family history is one of the important thing, and so that is regarding to the particular concern, or that is regarding to any characteristic or any disease, then the family tree is made after some generation. So by convention, so here to analyze the character or analyze the disease in a family, so we use some symbols. So here the male, the square symbol that represents the male, and the circle that represents the female. Okay, and this symbol which represents the sex is unspecified. Okay, and here the symbols with red, or which is filled with some other color, so that represents the affected individual. The symbol with red color, so that represents the affected individual. And here this is male symbol and this is female symbol, and there is a line between this male and female, means so mating means husband and wife. Okay, so that represents the husband and wife. And here, so this is male and female, so there are double line. So what it represent? So this is the symbolic representation, so that we need to draw the pedigree chart. Okay, so these symbols we use to draw the pedigree chart, and then we analyze the characters in a family here, which represents the contagious mating. So the double line in between the male and female means mating between the relatives, means close relatives. Then the next symbol, male and female. So see, this is male and female, there is a line, means husband and wife. And here the line is drawn below this, and here one circle and one square, means the above one are parents. So this above one are parents, and below one are the children born to this parents. So male means father and mother, and the children born to these parents. So here the lower one is connected like this. So this is girl and one boy. Okay, and the next symbol, see the next symbol, male and female. So line is there, means husband and wife. And here one square is given, but it is in red color, that is affected. So the son is affected. So here the male and female are normal, but the son was affected. And here 5, this symbol, so that 5 unaffected offspring, means 5 unaffected offspring, but the sex is not determined, unspecified. The sex is unspecified. So these are the symbols that we use to construct the pedigree chart. So very important. Then the solid symbols show the trait being investigated, and open symbols denote the normal individual. The solid symbol means, so that is filled with color, or dark color. So that represents the that is affected, and the symbols with normal that open that denote the normal individual. A symbol with cross line indicates the recessive trait, the carrier of for the recessive trait. The parents are joined by a horizontal line. So here the parents are joined like this, and the below represents the parents which gave birth to the children, order of their birth. So this is the parents and the children. So these are the symbols that we use to construct the pedigree chart. Thank you.